To question number 9. Find the coordinates of the points which divide the line segment joining the points A minus 2, 2 and B 2, 8 into 4 equal parts. In this question we shall use section formula and find the coordinates of the points which divide the line segment joining two given points in this question into 4 equal parts. So there will be how many points on the line segment joining two given points in this question which will divide the line segment into 4 equal parts. Of course there will be 3 points on the line segment which will divide it into 4 equal parts. Let us suppose that the 3 points be P, Q and R which divides the line segment into 4 equal parts. Given points are A minus 2, 2 and B 2, 8. So given points are A minus 2, 2 and B 2, 8. Let P, Q and R be the 3 points on the line segment AB which divide it into 4 equal parts. Therefore, AP equal to PQ equal to QR is equal to RB, because points PQ and R divide the line segment AB into 4 equal parts like this. Given point A minus 2, 2 and B 2, 8. 3 points PQ and R are on this line segment AB which divide this line segment AB into 4 equal parts. As points PQR divide the line segment AB into 4 equal parts, so out of 4 equal parts of AB, AP is 1 part, PQ is 1 part, QR is 1 part and RB is 1 part. So here point P divides the line segment AB in the ratio of 1:3, because out of 4 parts AP is 1 part and PB is 3 parts. So point P divides AB internally in the ratio 1:3. Therefore, using section formula, the coordinates of point P are, now we shall use section formula, m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, y1 m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So for this point P, AP is one part and PB is three parts. So m1 is 1, m2 is 3. So m1 x2, 1 into 2 plus 3 into minus 2. By m1 plus m2, 1 plus 3. m1 y2, 1 into 8 plus m2 y1, 3 into 2 by m1 plus m2, 1 plus 3. This is equal to 1 into 2, 2 plus 3 into minus 2, minus 6. 2 minus 6. 2 minus 6 by 4. 1 into 8, 8 plus 3 into 2, 6 by 4 equal to minus 4 by 4 minus 1. 8 plus 6, 14 by 4, so 7 by 2. So coordinates of point P are minus 1, 7 by 2. Now point Q divides AB in the ratio 2:2, because AQ is 2 parts and QB is also 2 parts. So point Q divides AB in the ratio 2:2. This ratio 2:2, you can also say 1:1. So this way point Q is midpoint of line segment AB. So you can use midpoint formula, coordinates of midpoint. So Q is midpoint of line segment AB. Therefore, coordinates of Q are x1 plus x2 by 2 minus 2 plus 2 by 2 y1 plus y2 by 2, 2 plus 8 by 2. This is equal to 0, 5. So coordinates of point Q are 0, 5. Now point R divides the line segment AB in the ratio 3:1 because AR is 3 parts and RB is 1 part. So point R divides AB in the ratio 3:1. So using section formula, coordinates of point R are M1 x2 3 into 2 plus M2 x1 1 into minus 2. By M1 plus M2 3 plus 1. M1 y2 3 into 8 plus M2 y1 1 into 2 by M1 plus M2 3 plus 1. This is equal to 3 into 2 6 minus 6 minus 2 by 4. 3 8 ja 24 plus 2 26 by 4. This is equal to 6 minus 2 4 by 4 1, 26 by 4 13 by 2. Hence the coordinates of the required points are minus 1, 7 by 2, 0, 5, and 1, 13 by 2, which divide the given line segment AB into 4 equal parts.